Sobat Orange TV, today we are talking about an important building in Semarang, the train station. We will use these words. Kita akan menggunakan kata-kata berikut ini: train station, stasiun kereta, railway, rel, platform, peron, departure, keberangkatan, arrival, kedatangan, check-in, lapor masuk, lounge, ruang tunggu, santai, parking area, area parkir, cashless parking, parkir non-tunai, peak season. Tawang train station is located in North Semarang. This is where trains pass from west to east Java and vice versa. This station is also the main stop for people before continuing travel to other cities in Central Java by car. This building was built in 1914. So in 2024, it is 110 years old. A marvelous historical building. From the front part, you can see how big the place is. It has a large front yard. This area is the drop-off area. Cars stop here to drop passengers, but they need to leave immediately to give space for other cars to come in. If you want to travel by train, you can buy tickets online. Then when you arrive at the station, check in here. This is the check-in counter where you can print out the boarding pass. This is the lobby. Look at how tall and beautiful the room is. Seats are provided here at the waiting area. Most of the time you will hear the theme song, Gambang Semarang. And this is the queue to the railway. Show your boarding pass to the officer who will let you go to the platform. Unfortunately, I cannot go to the platform that day because I came here only to drop my mom and not to travel by train. Outside the lobby, the station has a big waiting area. There is also a special lounge with extra facilities. You can get it with an extra fee. And right there is the arrival gate. If you want to pick up your family, you can stand here when the train arrives. On the wall near the arrival gate, you can find a train schedule. This is a very big board where you can find a list of what trains, the names of the trains, and when they are scheduled to be arrived or to depart. It's all available. It's very easy to look at on the wall. Taxis and other commercial pickups can wait here if you want to pick up passengers. Parking area in Tawang station is spacious. It's available for motorbikes and also for cars. If you cannot park inside the front yard, you can go out and park at the street in front of the station. This is a cashless parking area, means you only use e-money card to pay at the exit gate. And if you don't have your own ride, you can also take public transportation to reach this area. As you can see, you can ride the Trans-Semarang bus. So this place is nice and quiet in the morning, but actually it could be very busy in the peak season. So that's the overview of Tawang train station.